Hello, here we are again, Robin the Sudoku guy, with yet another tutorial number 57. And this one's a short one, a bit of fun actually, and I call it a form of chain of pairs. Now this is a puzzle that I just made up on the spot. It probably won't work very well, but what I wanted to do was to show you what I mean by a chain of pairs. And this is involving the three circled cells, and you've got four numbers. You've got a 1, 5, 3 and 7. Well, it's very interesting. When you look at this, if this is a 7, that is a 3. Got that? If this is a 7, that is also a 3. But now look at this. If this is a 5, that means this is a 1, this is a 4, this, because it's in the same block, is a 1, that 1 means this is a 7, and so we still get a 3 there. Now what about this one? If this is a 1, this is a 4, that 4 becomes a 1 here, that 1 makes this a 5, and this becomes a 7, and also that becomes a 3. So it doesn't matter whether it's a 1 or a 7, or a 5 or a 7, you will always get a 3 there. And just for fun, I'm going to make it a 3. And that's all I'm going to do for this one. Well, that was supposed to be 2. It's a 3, no matter what. There it is. Whoopee. And that's it for today's session. Have a great month solving Sudoku puzzles of all levels. And thank you also for subscribing.